Hello everyone and welcome to another Muse Kits weekly challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the second challenge problem for this month, that word being bark. Now, when I was trying to figure out what I wanted to make for this, I had to decide if I wanted to take the word literal when it came to bark and make like a tree, or take the bark as like a dog barking. And if any of you know me even just a little bit, I had to go with making a dog. And I chose to make my cute little girl, Princess Leia. If you have seen any videos where I've drawn my dogs before, she is a cute little wiener dog, and she makes for a fun subject when it comes to making art. Now, using these scratch boards, you have a lot more control on how much of the blacktop surface you're going to be taking off. Scraping with the side of your engraving tool lightly will kind of take off just a light layer of the ink, and then pushing hard will make a very stark white mark. Now, if you're going to be using the two-sided tool, you won't be able to remove any with the rubber end. You're going to only be able to take it off with the sharp metal end. But I am going to be quiet and let you all enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word bark. Now, I think this turned out really cute, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now, don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts that you can find in your brochure, and make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle each challenge myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Gustafson Designs. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!